Hi, okay, so this is a quick how-to help video on solving linear equations that have brackets attached to them. And this is the second video in the series. If you haven't watched the first one and you are starting to watch this and think, I don't really know what these methods are, then do go back, follow the link in the description and take a look at those methods because they are explained in a lot more detail. All right, let's get straight into our example. 3, and then I've got x minus 2 in my bracket, and that's equaling 9. So this is a linear equation that has a bracket. Now, the way that I would proceed with this is I would think, okay, that x, I've got to get it on its own, and it's kind of trapped. That's how I think of those brackets in this type of question. I think, well, that's trapping the x and I need to release it. So I'm going to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket means multiplying it out. I've got a 3 squashed to the bracket, and anything squashed in algebra means times. So this means 3 times everything in the bracket. Another way of thinking of it is 3 lots of whatever's in the bracket. So I've got 3 lots of x, which is 3x. I've got 3 lots of minus 2. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. There's 1 negative in the question there, so there's 1 in the answer. And that now is an expanded version, an equivalent version of my bracket. And I am back to basics once I've done that. That is what we were practicing last time. So now the last thing I say, 3x minus 6. Minus 6, last thing I say, first thing I hop. There we go, over to the other side. And I've now got 3x left, that's gone, equaling 9 plus 6, which is 15. I'm going to take the 3, get it on the other side, remembering it's times on that side, so it's landing as divide on that side. I've got x equals 5. So equations with brackets, just expand, and you will then be writing yourself the question in the form that you are more familiar with. It's more of a comfort zone and you're good to go. Okay, we're going to see it one more time, and then I'm going to show you it when they try to just make it feel harder. Okay, so I've got 6x plus 4 equaling 66. First step, expand. 6 lots of x's are 6 x's. 6 lots of 4 are 24. So I've got 6x plus 24 equaling 66. Got to get x on its own. If I want to know what it equals, I've got to get it on its own. 6 times x plus 24. Plus 24 was the last thing I said. So across it goes. It lands as minus 24. Leaving me 6x on that side because the 24 has gone across. Remember to always land with your opposite sign. So if you haven't spotted, that's what I'm doing. Really important. And then 66 take away 24 is 42. I'm going to move the 6, which is a times, to land as a divide. And x is equal to 7. How many 6s in 42? 7. And then I did show this in the basics in the first video as something that can be really confusing for some people. And again, I just wanted to kind of reiterate really that you are able to just rewrite the question to suit the way that you like to see it. You just have to make sure that you move everything as is. So that is exactly what is that side of the equals. So I've got to make sure it looks exactly like that in my rewrite. And then I can just carry on as normal, okay? And that's really all I wanted to show you with brackets and equations. A very quick how-to help video. So please watch the series if you're building up your knowledge of equations, because each thing links and becomes easier as a result of the previous one. Okay, thank you for watching this Target Maths video.